Hi friends, in today's video we're going to see about escape characters and how these characters are going to help us in formatting the output. First, what is escape character? Simple. These escape characters helps you to insert characters that are illegal in a string. Let's see how do we represent these characters. Just a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. Today I am going to show you an example with these 6 escape characters. But still many escape characters are there in Python. To know more about these characters, you can just surf this link below. Now let's look into the program. As usual in the first command, I have mentioned our today's topic. Just remember, we have 2 different quotations in the second print. Still our output is going to be same. You can see the escape characters at the end of the strings, which helps you to insert a new line. The gaps are clearly seen between the current output and the previous output. This escape character represents the backspace, which eliminates the gap between the words and up. Now just apply the same thing after the character. This escape character executes just a strings followed by it, which means it clips the previous strings. Now coming to quotations, I am just giving my title under single quotations, and let's see the output. Wow, still my output is same. Now I'm going to try it for my second command too inside the single quotation. Now see what comes in the output. Normally, when your program sees a string inside 2 quotations, it considers the end of your particular string. But in this case, you see there are 3 single quotations, so that your Python got confused where to end up with, and it shows an error message now. Now this backslash helps your Python from the confusions. How means, if Python sees a single quotation followed by backslash, then it understands that there is something to consider after the single quotation. So it executes all the strings inside the print command. Now you know how to use the backslash, right? So can you frame a mountain-like structure in the output with these backslashes? You can see the answers in a few seconds, so just pause this video and try it by yourself. I have one more last funny example for you guys. With all the learnings from today's session, I have built a face-like structure. At first time, it may be difficult for you to understand these escape characters. So just try it like this differently until you reach masters in this. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends and support us. Until next video, bye and cheers, take care.